Morning guys, from Manila. I've just arrived and had a great conversation with a bike rider. Anyway, I'm at the minor Basilica of San Sebastian Church. It's kind of the idea was taken off of a Spanish similar name church in Spain. And as you can see, it's beautiful. It just has that wonderful, architecture of the Spanish, of course. Actually, around this area as well, there's also look like small living quarters, residential areas and so. And it's gated. It has a gated security guard, maybe for the residents people. But what I like about this place, you got to appreciate that in the pictures you don't see it for what it really is. You can see here now it's a rusted area because it's primarily designed of metal. Probably one of the oldest, most endangered churches in the world because of its structure made of metal. And because it's made of metal, when it rains it suffers against the weather, and you can see like streaks of rust stains where it's corroded, and it's kind of seeping down the outsides, which you don't see when you're looking at the videos or the pictures on Google or something like that. But anyway, it looks to me like it's worth a great visit, and I'm glad I arrived there. I'm going to look around the outside first before I settle into the inside. But yeah, bear with me, I'll do a second video too. Alright guys, let's have a look at this, but it looks great.